Insulation removal. You wouldn't paint over a wall that's already peeling, right? Well, that's exactly how we look at your attic. Before we can actually improve your home's performance, we have to make sure we're building on a clean, solid foundation. So when we list attic insulation removal on your quote, it means that we're using industrial, high-powered vacuum system to completely clear out the old, compressed, or contaminated material from your attic space. It's contained, it's thorough, and it gets the dust and debris out of your attic. And why that matters is that this isn't just about getting rid of stuff. The old insulation often loses effectiveness over time. So by removing it, we give your attic a fresh start, which allows us to correctly identify your home's air leaks and properly install your new high-performance system. We don't believe in cutting corners on the foundation. We believe in getting the job done right the first time.